Keeping on the subject of holidays and vacations, today we're looking at food. Different cuisines offered at a hotel. Okay? First meal of the day is breakfast. Some nice food for breakfast. Croissants. Hot drinks and cold drinks. You could have coffee, hot chocolate, tea. You can see there's lots of different juices there. Nice breakfast. Cooked breakfast. A cooked breakfast is egg, bacon, pancakes, bacon, eggs, mushrooms, hot grilled food. Or you could have milk with cereal or yogurt. So some nice bowls of cereal there. You can have it with milk or you can have it with yogurt. You could have toast done in a toaster, or you could have nice fresh fruit. Me personally, I had a cooked breakfast and then I had the fruit to finish. That was breakfast. Lunches, you can have salad and pasta with chips, so these are the meals. Or you could have meat, so that's quite hot, with salad and chips. So that's my children's choices of lunch when we were on holiday. And these are the selections of lunches that we had. There's your cold option, the nice salad. Or the hot options, there was a variety of hot options. Curries, meat, chips, there was vegetarian curry as well as the meat curries. Or there was just meat, like you saw in the picture there. Okay? Now, a live cooking. This gentleman was the chef, and he was there every mealtime doing live cooking. Live cooking. A man that cooks food for you while you wait. And at my hotel, he was available during breakfast, lunch and dinner. I asked the live cooking gentleman if he could make me an omelette for breakfast. And I had to stand and wait while he cooked it in front of me and served it on a plate. It was very nice watching the live cooking. Waiters. So I took 3 pictures of waiters. The waiters show you where you sit and take away your plates once you have finished your meal. A waiter. Every mealtime, we were met at the reception. Then a waiter would come and take us to our places to sit, where you can see there are tables. Then, as you can see, the person in the middle, he was called David. He would take your meal away once you've finished eating, wipe the table clean, and then lay it again with glasses and cutlery. The last meal of the day was dinner. There's a selection of dinners. We had different cuisines at dinner time. You could have, I've took 2 pictures of the different cuisines. International. There was Italian, French, Spanish, lots of different meals were done on that day. Or Hindi. Hindu food, and that's the one on the left. So different nationalities of cuisines were offered each day. Here's the dinners. Right. Chinese cuisine. Very nice. Hindu and Indian cuisine. In all the cuisines there was vegetarian options as well as the meat options. Italian cuisine, pasta and pizza, or you can have the Spanish cuisine where there's lots of rice and fish. Desserts. Not my particular favourite, but it was my little girl's favourite, and that's what she had: donuts and cakes. The chocolate fountain was there. I did not take a picture of the chocolate fountain, but the desserts were very nice. They come in little small containers, the small desserts, and the cakes, where you could cover it with chocolate sauce or custard, and the jellies. The snack bar was available when you missed breakfast or lunch, and you can have a smaller option at the snack bar. Okay, snack bar, a place to eat if the dining room was closed. So that's the end of my food video today. What cuisine and meals did you enjoy? What cuisines would you try? If you did like this video, please subscribe or give it a like. I really appreciate the likes on my videos, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. See you again. Bye bye.